Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and we continue unboxing the kits, Diamond Art Club kits that I purchased in one of Hobby Lobbies when I went to the beach. So this is the kit. I'm sorry for the cracking sound. I'm sitting on the floor. This is the kit. The name of the kit is Black and White by Deborah Lewis. The size is 32 by 45 centimeters. The original price was $30, but there was an event in Hobby Lobby, 40% off. So I actually purchased this kit for $17. So let's open and see how this beautiful kit looks inside. Before we go over the canvas, I just wanted to mention that I love the packaging. The boxes are the most beautiful boxes I've ever seen. Sparkly, amazing. And I do love that they put this sheet in their kits with the stickers that can be glued to the Ziploc bags with the numbers and with the symbol numbers and the symbols themselves, and the color code and the start and end date thingy, with the beautiful original image. Really very thoughtful. As to their tools, also their tools are, packed in a reusable plastic bag that you can actually use it over and over again, and really very nice to keep the tools in. And the tools include the stylus, the Ziploc bags, the hand gripper, transparent tray, two waxes, two pieces of wax in the shape of the heart, and the four placer. So now let's open the canvas and look at the rendering. Here it is. So the canvas is, I mentioned before, this is a velvet canvas. I call it semi fabric one, because it is velvet fabric on the back, and it feels like a regular standard plastic canvas, although very sparkly on the front. And it doesn't make it less professional and high quality. As to the glue, it is a poured glue that does not extend beyond the image. The rendering itself, as you can see, it is not color related. I mentioned it several times in my videos. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I love the renderings that are not color related because they carry the element of surprise of how it's gonna turn out in the end. This is the finished, completed picture. This is really very nice of Diamond Art Club, and I know Diamond Dots also does it. They put the completed picture on their box. This way you can decide for yourself whether you love it or not, whether it's worth purchasing or not. But I can tell you this, that their finished or completed pictures on the boxes are not as great as they actually turn out in the end in real life. So I'm pretty sure that once this one is completed, it will look even better than on the original box. The symbol printing is amazing, very clear. The symbols are well recognizable, no black wheels around the majority of the symbols, except of this one, the white one. And I actually like it. I like it a lot. And this is the diamond painting that I'm going to start working on now, because I'm done with my lady in a yellow dress from Diamond Dots. I will upload a post review tomorrow morning, so I'm not gonna show you the progress now because again it is already completed, and I want to work on something really very small, with not that many colors. By the way, this kit includes 19 colors and we are going to look at them. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit. So this is the canvas. A really nice one. By the way, I just noticed, look, I can get 10% off on my next order. This is so nice. And let's look at the drills. Not that many, 19 colors, which is great because to tell you the truth, I'm already tired of diamond paintings with many colors. I want something really very easy, very relaxing, very small. No, this one is not small. So 19 colors. The most of the shades are pretty cold, like gray and white. No, not white. Gray, blue, um, and kind of white. Um, let's look at them. And this kit includes also one AB color, and I have never seen such an AB color before. Here it is. It is like greenish, very light green AB color. Never seen it before. I love it. It looks beautiful. I was actually, when I saw, I already opened it for my Russian speaking channel, and people are really like Ukrainians, Russians, Belarus, from Belarus, all those people from former USSR Russian speaking, they're in the rapture over Diamond Art Club kit, and they are so happy that this company actually delivers overseas and shipping is free. That's amazing. High quality kits, they do not really have an opportunity to work on high quality kits. The most high quality that they worked on was Tin Arts from AliExpress. That also has semi, velvet canvas, but it's different from Diamond Art Club canvas. It's somewhat similar, but still different. So I'm really very happy to have an opportunity to work on Diamond Art Club kits. So as to this color, white, I was actually thinking why Diamond Art Club didn't add white AB. Why there is just resin AB. And I was actually going to replace this white resin drill with AB diamonds, but most likely I'm not gonna do that. I understood actually why they did not add two ABs, white and this green one. Most likely because they are located very close to each other, they will be used on the branches as the snow, and if two ABs of very similar shade are gonna be used, I mean, it won't look really very good. You won't see the much of the shade difference. It will just look like the same color because of the holographic uh, thingy on top, because of the hologram. Since ABA diamonds have hologram on top, so it won't really look nice. That's why most likely they did not add white ABs. So, just wanted to show you this beautiful black and white um, design. The name is black and white. It's not really black and white. And once I complete it, I will upload a video review, and of course I will keep updating you on my progress of this kit. I will be uploading the videos on my Facebook page, and I will also record videos on YouTube from time to time. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and tomorrow I'm going to upload the post review of my Diamond Dots yellow dress. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.